Hello guys, welcome to Rainbow View. So today we are going to make pizza sauce. So let's see how to make the video, but before that I have seen that many of you are not subscribing and watching my video. So if you are not subscribed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Rainbow View. So because I am making too much hard work to do these things, and please support me as your family. So let's start the recipe. So I have 4 tomatoes over here and half onion and 4 to 5 pieces of dry chili. So now let's start the recipe. So now we have to cut the tomatoes like this. I will show you. Put kind of a X mark. Don't hear the background noises because outside construction is going on. So like this we have to do so that we can peel the tomatoes very easily. Yes. Now on the back side. Yes. So now you can see the mark over here. So like that, do all the tomatoes and keep. I will show you after I finish. Now I have a container full of water. You can see. So now the water is boiling. Now we have to add these tomatoes, onions and chili into it. Now let it boil for some time. So the ingredients are boiling over here. So you can see that now the tomatoes have to be very soft, then only we can take it out. Till that, let it be over here for 10 to 12 minutes. Now you can stop the stove because it got heated very well. Okay, now let's take these things out. I have took these vegetables out before 10 minutes so that now it is not hot that much so that we can peel its peel. So come, let's peel. So I have a tissue paper over here. We can put the unwanted peels over here. So I will do one show. Like this you have to peel it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we have peeled all the tomatoes. So now let's see the next step. So first now we will put this onion and the dry chilies inside the mixie jar. Today cameraman has school today, so she's not coming. So sorry for the video getting very bad. So first let's grind this. After grinding, I will show you. So I have got like this. So now let's put the tomatoes inside. 1, 2, 3, 4 and make it as a paste. Again I will grind it and show you. So now I have got a paste like this. So now let's pour this into this. And now let's see the next ingredient or the next step what to do. So now we are gonna put 1 tablespoon oil. After putting 1 tablespoon of oil, we have to put. So now we have to add 3 pieces of finely chopped garlic. Now the garlic is getting as you can see. Now we have to add the tomato thingy which we have done now. So let me add it. So now we have to mix it. So now it is in medium flame. So now add required amount of salt. And now again we have to mix it. Now it is the time to see whether the taste is good or not. So now we have to add 2 tablespoons of sauce. 1 and 2. So again let's mix it so that this gives a great taste to it. So now let's see what is the next step. So now you have to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This also depends on your taste when you test it. And I have added actually 2 more tablespoons of tomato sauce because the taste was a little bit down only. So we have to combine the taste and bring the aroma to it. So the next step is that you have to add oregano to it and give it flavor. You can see. So now let's add oregano to it. This also depends on your taste and how much you put. I'm first putting this much. Let's see. When we are adding these type of things to our sauce, then it's becoming too much yummy and delicious. So now we are going to add some pepper into it. So pepper we are going to put 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. If you want you can add less as per your taste. Like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Rainbow View. The taste is so good. Please try this at your home. And so now we are going to add some pepper into it. So pepper, we are going to put 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. If you want, you can add less as per your taste. So now I have added 2 teaspoon of sugar. Due to the storage problem, the video has stopped by itself. So now I have got a very good pizza sauce, as you can see. The taste is actually really very good. You should also have to try it at your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Rainbow View, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.